main point, and body language, and how to use the stage. When we do the drama, we have to be in front of a live audience. That's a main factor in singer dramas or any dramas in the world. Stage dramas, there is a live audience, and we are on the stage. So when we stay on the stage, so we want to use the stage. That is, I think, proscenium stage. That is normally called in Sinhala Pintura Ramu Vedikawa. That means when we go to the Rabindranath Tagore auditorium or your normal auditoriums, we see that types of stages. There are many types of stages in the world, but we want to do our dramas, and I think you have a concert. So that concert also you have to do in front of that type of stages. That is a common stage in the world. So
එතකොට දැන් ඉන්නවනේ ටිකක් ක්‍රවුඩ් සීන් එකෙන් ඉන්නවනේ. එයාලා නිකන් නැවෙන්නේ නැහැ වගේ මල්ලි. තේරෙනවද ඒක? ඒ කියන්නේ දැන් ඇවිල්ලා සෝල්ජර් කෙනෙක් ඇවිල්ලා දැන් සෝල්ජර් කෙනෙක් ඇවිල්ලා කීට කතා කරන්නේ? ඔය ලෝට් කියලානේ කතා.
yeah, that's right. Good. Honestly, and how many you say? Good. right. Nothing to say there because that I know that time has a long time. This and this also, and then they are qualified and experienced teachers and for many years, and they are.
On this day we read lots of things, and I lost my prayer from the drama. And we did the mirror game and show our anger in the stage. Thank you for our brothers and sisters from Mahinda Rajapaksa School and teachers and from Mahinda Rajapaksa School. Thank you. Today we learn many things about the drama. We learn many different kinds of activities, how to do them. We enjoy this day. We learn many things about drama, and we enjoy today. We learn how to face to the audience. And we happy this moment.
That's the first thing. Not only the academic side, but academic side can be developed. That can be taken from the new media, from the sometimes the internet or any other field. But extracurricular activities, sports and the other things, the drama and then the singing and so on, that we must develop for training of student. I think that the Madam Julani Kamalrenka also, she hope to do that. Then I also hope to promulgate your extracurricular activity. Already they have started. Now it is being developed. This is Sussex College Matara. I want to say about this part, our network is there are so many that 20 branches in all island, but the others are it's bright. But here this Matara branch in the primordially it was that's a bright international school, but I don't know the reason that there is sometimes the administration due to that reason that decreased the number of students also, but now it is being developed.
Because of an invitation of my Sussex College Matara, Mrs. Darshan Swasanta and the Kids of Drama Club of Mahinda Rajapaksa College have gone to Sussex College and trained the children of Sussex College. And it was a nice experience for the drama kids of Mahinda Rajapaksa College. On the other hand, the students of Sussex College studied a lot regarding dramas and how to disappear their stage fear and how to do a drama without a certain script and many things they elected for their lives. And it was an unforgettable experience for the drama kids of Mahinda Rajapaksa College. It may be a sweet memory for those people who joined. Thank you. Thank you very much, Mr. Chandrakumar, who is the principal of Sussex College Matara.